Hi again, everybody. You're traveling with me, Jack, and of course, as always, with my beautiful heavenly wife, Pam, and welcome to the comfy confines of my 2005 Toyota Highlander. You're saying, a 2005? Well, yeah, it's a great car. It's got 230,000 miles on it, still runs like a top. I keep it serviced well. Why do I need a new car? Oh, I could get a new car, but I'm not. This one does just great. But that's not why you're here. You're here to hear about this amazing place I discovered in the Phoenix area called Angie's Lobster. Now, I'd been getting blasted with these ads through Facebook and different things saying you got to check out Angie's Lobster. $9.99 for a complete lobster roll meal, including fries and a drink. I'm thinking, this is too good to be true. So I made the drive out to the little location of Angie's Lobster. And OMG, what a surprise this was. First of all, you roll up, there's a line of cars going out to the road. You're thinking, oh, brother, is this going to take a long time? No, it rolls right on through. They don't have a dining room, anything like that. It's strictly a drive-through place. They don't take cash either, just cards. The menu board, you get a preview board that shows you the different options, 4 different types of lobster rolls that you can choose from. Then you roll up, you self-pay, and you get to the next stop, and the food is ready. It is absolutely amazing. Now your question is, how good was it? Well, I'm going to tell you, I may be in Arizona. These lobsters may have come all the way from Maine. It was really, really good. The lobster roll, some might say, oh, it looked a little small. I'm going to tell you, it filled me up. It was packed with big chunks of lobster. Now, they'll include some butter sauce and a special sauce that they have. I just put a little butter on mine. That's about it. It was unbelievably delicious. Now, a couple of the bites that were really big, a little chewy, but still the flavor was fantastic. The fries were nice and crunchy and cooked well. And yeah, they include a free drink. It can be, well, I don't say free, but it's included for the $9.99. You can get sweet or unsweet tea or lemonade. I had unsweet iced tea. It was absolutely terrific. So is it worth it to check out Angie's Lobster? You bet it is. Is it a bargain? You bet it is. Is the service quick and easy? You bet it is. The quality, really, really surprising. And will I be back? You bet I will. So if you see something pop up on one of your little advertising things where they pop you a thing about Angie's Lobster, you should certainly check it out. You will not be disappointed. At least I wasn't. So that's about it. Hey, thanks for subscribing to our channel. Also check out the podcast, Love Letters to Pam, the Jack Church Show. Till we see you next time, have a great day. Better yet, make it a better tomorrow. And enjoy some lobster at Angie's Lobster.